Alright, let's get into it. We can skip all this because I'm just so amazing, right? Alright, let's hatch our first bee. Oh, a stubborn bee. I'm gonna name him Gerald. He looks like a Gerald. Anyways, let's go over to Black Bear. Why does he talk so much? And only a bit of pollen. Easy, let's speed run this. Too easy. Oh, hi, Mother Bear. You're looking extra nice today. Don't mind that. Let's get back to the hive. Let's make some honey. And let's also feed him for that coost. Nice, quest complete. Let's turn in my quests. Nice, we got some good honey from that. Let's speed run some quests. These are amazing for early game. Nice, we can afford our second egg. Back to Black Bear. Let's go hatch this egg. His name is Timothy. And we'll feed them for Mother Bear to be happy. Anything for Mother Bear. Hi, Mother Bear. More quests. Finally an upgrade. I look so dapper. Anyways, back to quests. From Deep. Also comment whether he deserves a name or not. Moon Sprout. Oh, let's go. Someone's popping it for me. Definitely not my main. Holy, I'm rich. Let's get some upgrades then to the 5B zone. Alright, let's level them up. Watch this, half core. Upgrades. To the 5B zone.